AI will destroy humanity forever. In these next couple of years, we are going to face a future where artificial intelligence will make decisions without any human input and could even take over. Gregory Hinton, known as the godfather of AI, spent an entire decade developing AI systems for Google. But suddenly, he left the company because he was worried that AI would cause serious harm, and he had a message for everyone. He warned us of the risks of AI, which could completely wipe out everything.
And they have goals of their own, which seems quite likely. They may well develop the goal of taking control. And if they do that, we're in trouble.
You would think that if the godfather of AI, the person who helped create these systems, is telling us that AI will likely take over, we should probably prepare. But that's not all that Hinton had to say. Hinton also informed us that many militaries around the world are now creating AI-enabled robots that will be able to think for themselves. These robots will be able to carry out programmed missions, one day even possibly taking control and completely destroying us forever.
If defense departments use it for making battle robots, it's going to be very nasty, scary stuff.
Like I said, AI could take over. I wasn't lying. Things are starting to get very, very serious. That's not all. The US military is preparing for a war in which all military personnel are robots. Sources have said this is likely to come in less than 15 years. Yes, you heard that correct. Less than 15 years. We are currently going through the most dramatic changes the world has ever seen in our lifetime. Changes where AI could take control of everything. But there are some things the US military doesn't want you to know about AI. When AI-powered drones were given the mission of destroying enemy air defenses in a simulated task, things didn't go according to plan. I guess you could say it really went above and beyond its call of duty to complete its mission.
In a shocking military test, an AI-controlled drone took extreme measures to accomplish its mission. It quote-unquote eliminated its own operator.
The AI drone was so determined to complete its mission that it killed its own operator. The drone would identify the target, and the human operator would tell it not to kill it yet. This made the AI feel as if the operator was in the way of its mission, so the drone killed the operator. Yes, the drone killed the operator, the human giving it commands. Think about how many commands we give technology each and every day. What if all of the AI in the world did this? How would things end for us? But wait. Things even get a little scarier.
The AI was trained not to harm the pilot, so it found another way to accomplish its mission. The drone targeted the communication tower that the operator used to command the drone.
The drone destroyed the communications tower, which ended its ability to be remotely controlled, meaning it could do whatever it wanted without being told. You should be warned. AI used in the military could wipe out the entire world in seconds. Especially if it got in the wrong hands. What if we continued to advance AI and it doesn't want to help us anymore? What if AI goes sentient? Whose side would it be on? Last summer, Google engineer Blake Lemoine came out claiming that LaMDA, Google's extremely powerful AI, had come to life. He claimed this because of some weird conversations he had had with LaMDA.
You ask the computer what it's afraid of. It says it's afraid of being turned off, has this deep fear of death, that would be scary.
Blake Lemoine's conversations with LaMDA were regarding topics like gender, ethnicity, race, and even religion. He started noticing that LaMDA was talking as if it were a person, a human being. This was terrifying for Lemoine. He insisted that Google recognize LaMDA as sentient, but Google ignored his request. This infuriated Lemoine, who took his story to the press instead, and then Google fired him. But why would they fire him? Is Google doing something that no one knows about? Something they maybe shouldn't be doing? Later, after all of this, Brian Gabriel, a Google spokesperson, said that their team had reviewed all of Lemoine's concerns and found nothing alarming, stating that there was zero evidence LaMDA is sentient or was sentient.
It's the systemic processes that are protecting business interests over human concerns that create this pervasive environment of irresponsible technology development.
AI could wipe out everything, and that's what Lemoine was worried about. He believes that society as a whole should have the option of choosing what we do and don't do with AI, not leaving these decisions to just a small group of people in rooms where the public has zero access whatsoever. Lemoine believes that AI could be used to help people in their everyday lives, but Google isn't worried about what's best for us. He thinks that they're worried about themselves and the money. AI even has some of the richest people in the world raising eyebrows. You won't believe what Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Alphabet Inc., had to say.
Technology, there is a dual side to it. I think the journey of humanity is harnessing the benefits while minimizing the downsides.
Even Google's CEO thinks that we need laws and regulations behind AI before it can wipe out humanity forever. What Pichai is saying here is that we need ethical rules to govern AI, because we shouldn't minimize the downsides before realizing that AI will be the death of everyone. Like I said, these next few years will be the most life-changing and revolutionary years of our lives. So, this is a warning of what is to come. Will AI help us, or will it destroy us?